Workshop Wednesday, guys. This is VanHaven. I'm Tom. Let's go check out the workshop. Before we go into the workshop, I've just noticed our brand new T7 is parked on or in our handover bay. If you haven't seen this, you need to get a really good look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. First up, we've got Jordan, who is working on an absolutely stunning little short wheelbase van. He's gone for a Caravelle setup and also one of our custom built aircon units in the back here. Absolutely stunning. What are you doing right this second, Geordie?
I'm currently making the sides for the halo roof.
Ooh.
So it's 2 more individual pieces to make. Yeah.
He's going to wrap all the way around and do all its singing, all dancing.
Dimmable lighting. It's going to set the tone, set the mood.
Oh, lovely. And how long do you think that's going to take you, and will we see it soon?
I was hoping you'd see it by the end of the week.
Damn! What day is it? Friday? This is what I'm working on. This is going to be another sort of mid-campery bit of everything vehicle. I'm excited to show you that one when it's done because there's some really nice colours going in there. Robbo, are you in here, buddy? You're there you are. What are you up to, mate?
This one?
Yes, what are you doing?
This one's edition 73, but.
Oh, anything cool? Anything different?
This one's different, got VB.
Oh, lovely. So it's got VB air.
Yeah, VB air. Oh, and slightly different wheels. I quite like these wheels. They're not normal edition wheels.
Quick question. VB or ABP?
Depends what you want. ABP, okay. Low.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. VB, still low, but Volkswagen like you because it's got warranty. It'll keep your warranty with VB.
I think it's a smoother ride too, but we're not going to tell everyone that. All right, see you in a mo, Robbo. Right, hey, I think Ollie's in here. Ollie.
Hello.
Hello, mate. Quick little Workshop Wednesday walk around. I'm not going to go into massive detail, but I just want to know roughly what you're up to.
I'm measuring out currently to make some boxing.
Because I've got my diesel heater ducting all in here.
Lovely, yeah.
So I'm going to box it all off so that's all nice and neat.
Oh, we've got a drying room in the back, haven't we?
And a dry room in the back. Yeah,
nice,
so it's got
nice.
to run through to here and through.
Oh, epic. Well done, buddy. Need to get you a bigger fan, mate.
Yeah.
That's pathetic.
Yeah, it's not that good. It's not great, but I have got aircon.
Oh, another aircon van. Sick.
Aircon.
Get it running, mate. Get it on.
Yeah, I will.
Right, let's have a look, see what Jack's doing. Ah, okay. Right, we'll have a quick look out the back, see what the guys that are doing on the campers are doing, see what Hannah's doing. Maybe she's doing some cool stuff too. In fact, I think she is. I think she's colour blending a carbon kit. Oh, yes, she is. Caught her in mid-action. So she's got our TTX carbon kit, and what the customer has asked for is if we can body match colour blend the carbon. So it's going to start off as carbon, I suppose, on the outer sides and blend into the body colour of this van that's been wrapped in this wicked colour here. So it's quite a task for her, but it's Hannah, I'm sure she can manage it. And that's about it for another Workshop Wednesday. We honestly, you've just seen Jack hiding under the table. We do a lot of work in here. We are very busy. If you've seen your van that's being built currently in one of the little clips going around here, we are doing it. But I'd like to see you guys in another episode of Workshop Wednesday here at VanHaven.